Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Today it's our hotel.
We were at our hotel. We just had breakfast at the hotel. What did you eat, babe?
Cereals.
She ate Fruit Loop cereals. What about you, Daddy? What'd you eat?
I had some yogurt. I had some eggs, some bacon.
Extra crispy bacon.
Extra crispy.
I got bacon too.
Oh, Lluvia got bacon too.
What is today? Today is a very special day. What's today?
What's today, Daddy?
What's today? Today is my Lluvia's birthday.
Yay! Happy birthday, Lluvia! It's her birthday. So we're in Florida for Disney World for Lluvia's birthday for the whole week. But today is actually Lluvia's birthday. May 13, 2016. This little girl was born. Huh, babe?
Yeah.
Yay!
Mom, what's today?
What's today? And today, which park are we going to today, Dad?
Today we're going to Magic Kingdom.
Woo! We're so excited. Okay, so
And then Mom.
here we go.
And then Mom, I saw the snow monster.
Oh, she did. Yesterday we went on the Frozen ride at Epcot, and there was the snow monster, and it was so cool, and Lluvia loved it. So we're excited for Magic Kingdom. Yay! Magic Kingdom! Woo! I'm sorry for all the spots on the windshield. Those are bugs that we have killed.
Love bugs.
They're called love bugs. It's so gross.
So
Oh, look at, they do have the giant donuts.
they just have sorry, you messed me up. Sorry. So we just figured out why we couldn't find the park when we got here, and apparently we gotta go by monorail or by a ferry boat. So this is new.
Yeah, it's crazy.
That is crazy.
Oh my goodness.
And it's
so
super
hot.
humid. See this?
It's so hot.
It's very humid. So that's where we gotta go. And that's how we're going.
Yeah.
Alright, so we made it past the ferry. This looks more familiar to us right here. Kind of like the main street at our Disneyland.
Just much bigger.
How you It looks like Disneyland?
Much, much bigger. Oh my gosh. Whew, it's hot.
Yeah. Lluvia, where are we going?
Which one are we going on?
Magic carpet.
Lluvia, let me see your shirt, babe.
Oh.
Where are you?
Pirate.
Arr.
Arr.
Say ahoy, mateys.
I don't like the ladies.
And of course, look what Dad had to get.
Boom.
How many is that now, Dad?
5?
I think it's 6 because I'm counting the one we got yesterday.
6. But 5 character ones.
Yes.
5 characters.
Can I see it? Oh.
Dad, tell us what's going on here.
It literally just started raining right now.
It's raining. It's gonna be storming. Lluvia, it's raining.
Yeah, but it's pretty
Dang.
We're on the way to Haunted Mansion ride.
Haunted Mansion.
And you guys still think she's a pirate.
We're going on Haunted Mansion. Lluvia.
She still thinks she's a pirate.
Look at our cool shirts.
Can I see it?
Show me your shirt, babe. Whoa. Go on, babe. We're supposed to say the spirits have accepted your warm welcome or something. Oh, look at there's a ghost down there. See the one laying down there? Here we go. What ride is this?
Small world.
And then it's lunchtime after because we're hungry.
And then we're gonna eat what? Lilo instead.
It's raining.
Lluvia! Say hi! It's raining. We're going into Tomorrowland. What's the matter, babe?
It's raining big time.
Wow.
We survived the rain. Lluvia.
Maybe it was bad that we named her Lluvia. It's always raining on her birthday.
Concentrate your firepower and serve secret weapons.
So we got rained out for a little while. We're calling it quits for now.
We'll be back though.
Hopefully. Oh my gosh, look. She's trying to fall back to sleep. Okay, we'll let you guys know what happens the rest of the day. Okay, so it stopped raining. We all took a nap. We all ate some lunch back at the hotel, so we're nice and fresh and replenished our energies.
And then we're gonna Disney World!
Yep, we're gonna go back to Magic Kingdom, give it another try. We got some fast passes coming up, so hopefully it stays nice, the weather right now.
You better take a 3-hour nap.
Very nice.
And then we're gonna go to Japan, right?
We are.
And
Yes.
then I'm eating chips.
What kind of chips are those?
Cheese.
Ooh, cheese chips are good. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Here we are again.
Where dreams come true.
I will not get tired of this grand entrance. It's so cool.
Minnie Mouse.
And you think like, okay, that's the entrance. We're in Disney World. This place is huge. So we still have a kind of a little drive to get to Magic Kingdom, huh, Dad?
Another 2 miles.
And 2 miles to get to one park, and all the parks are spread out. It's insane.
We made it. We ran because we had about 15 minutes to make it.
And then there's an alligator right there.
There's an alligator.
What ride did we make it to, Dad?
Peter Pan.
Peter Pan!
Which has like a 70-minute wait time right now.
Yeah, we made it for our fast pass, just barely. Whoa! That's so cool, huh, babe? Huh?
Captain Jack
And then what's Daddy's name?
Captain Barbosa.
Yeah, was it your birthday today? Yeah? Yeah. Now we're gonna sing happy birthday to you, right? Alright, well tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Give us a like.
Give us a like, alright? See you next time. Alright, bye.